Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't made a video in a long time. I just kind of lost interest of making YouTube videos. But if this video gets enough support, I'll continue making them and get back into it. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video on my Lego Cessna MOC. It's pretty simple. So let's get right into the video. So I'd just like to share a few techniques that I used for this plane to make it look as great as I possibly can. And hopefully you can integrate those techniques in some of your MOCs. And let's get into that. So, first of all, for this front wheel over here, I actually used, let me get it out. I used one of these arm pieces with a black Lego dot hooked onto it. It's hooked to this clip right over here, which holds this little section here at an angle, and it pushes that up right against that, like that, as you can see, to give it the holes that are actually in the real plane, which looks amazing in my opinion. So, and you can put that on pretty much any plane. And the blade or propeller is pretty simple. It's just one of these Technic parts with one of these 5 long plates with a Technic hole in it, with a cone on top that simply slides right into there. And of course, this thing, if I can get it at the right angle, hooks right into there. And this thing goes from the bottom right there to hook it up and hold it in place. It does fall off rather easy, but I don't really play with my Legos ever, so it's pretty great as a display MOC. 1 second. Looks like we got a troublemaker over here. Okay, let's ignore him and get back to the video. So, the wings are pretty simple. Basically, they're just some slope pieces. Of course, if you're building a plane, you don't have to use those slope pieces. Some of these pieces are harder to find, like these free long slopes over here. I had to actually order those from Lego Bricks and Pieces to get enough of those, and I do have more for more plane MOCs, and hopefully I can make more. But as you can see, for the windshield, I used the windshield with the little print here from the Mini Cooper Speed Champion set, and just some simple bars hooked up to these clip pieces going up along as those support pillars. The rear wheels I'm not as happy with as the front, and they're pretty simple. They're just, let me see if I can get it out. They're just these little pieces slid into these little Technic pieces. They actually fit in there quite well and have quite enough friction. Oops, just broke off the entire back. But yeah, it's a little bit thick, but it works. Of course, then we got this rear area where it slopes up. That's simply just this little section here hooked up to a few clips that goes up, a long slope, and a few fragile bits like this tail section is only hooked up by one stud right here, but it works. So those are pretty much the only features that I would like to share with you guys, and feel free to integrate those features into your MOCs, those techniques. I don't care. And have a great day, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like.